Justice Department's Minnesota probe marks new low for American democracy. The Justice Department, under President Donald Trump, has launched a sweeping criminal investigation into Minnesota's highest-ranking Democratic officials, a move that many observers deem a stark escalation in the administration's campaign to intimidate political opponents. Governor Tim Walz and Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey now face federal scrutiny for decisions made during a period of intense civil unrest, when protesters and federal law enforcement officers collided on the city's frozen streets. According to the report, investigators are probing alleged misconduct tied to the state's handling of the protests, alleging that the officials abused their authority and misused public resources. The timing of the inquiry, however, raises serious questions about motive. Critics argue that the case is less about genuine criminal conduct and more about silencing outspoken critics of the Trump administration, echoing a pattern of partisan investigations that have marked the past few years. Legal experts warn that such a high-profile probe could set a dangerous precedent, eroding the separation of powers that safeguards democratic governance. By targeting elected leaders from the opposing party during a volatile moment, the Justice Department risks deepening public mistrust in federal institutions and further polarizing an already divided electorate. The article also highlights the public's reaction, noting a torrent of comments on social media and the Washington Post's platform condemning the investigation as an abuse of power. Many see the move as an attempt to intimidate not only Walz and Frey, but also any local officials who might challenge the administration's agenda. While the investigation is still in its early stages, its mere existence underscores a broader trend: the increasing willingness of the executive branch to weaponize federal agencies against political adversaries. Observers fear that if left unchecked, such tactics could undermine the fundamental checks and balances that protect American democracy, potentially ushering in an era where dissent is criminalized and the rule of law becomes a tool for partisan gain. The situation remains fluid, with both legal scholars and civil rights groups calling for heightened oversight and transparency to ensure that the pursuit of justice does not become a veil for political repression.